Hey y'all, so it is nighttime now. First of all, before I even get to talk, I just want to show y'all. So this was the new tripod that I went and bought. It's called a Gorilla tripod. It's basically more sturdier. Like y'all, this is what I should have been having. Like it's way more sturdier. So anyone who want to start vlogging, a Gorilla tripod is your best friend, because the one I had was the one that I bought that came in the vlogger kit. Like if you ever went to Best Buy and you bought, you know, one of these vlogging cameras, like they had this something called the, it's either the vlogging or the creator kit, and it comes with like this little small black tripod. And yeah, it's not sturdy at all. Like if you put it on the surface, it will slip and slide, so you got to really play with it to get it to sit still. So I was just, you know, content with having it, but it was not something that I was just liked having. But it's like, shoot, get another tripod was not on the top of my head for real. But I just went ahead and bought one today because I didn't feel like keep looking for that one, because that one is somewhere and I don't know where. So right now, y'all saw, basically today I went to general physics, and we went over a little review for the exam next week. Then we didn't have class for linear algebra. We were supposed to work on our group projects, and I had organic chemistry class today, so I went to that. And yeah, after that, y'all saw I went to Best Buy. I got the tripod. I forgot to mail off my FAFSA renewal, so I'll make sure to drop it off tomorrow. And then I came home, ate, and I did a little bit of my math project at work. And then I think I'm gonna take a nap now. I don't know yet. But then I'm gonna wake back up and do work on this music appreciation assignment due tomorrow. It's basically just have to write a paragraph for like a few little videos that we watch. So that's what I have to do for that. And then tomorrow I'm gonna wake up and go work out, and then get some acai bowls, and then study. Probably do some linear algebra homework, and then of course study for organic chemistry and work on this last homework assignment that's due for chapter 8. And so yeah, today I'm not focusing homework on chemistry. I mainly focused today on linear algebra and doing the rest of the night for music appreciation. So it's not really nothing, you know, of course I can talk to y'all about tonight, because you know how I said in my videos I want to incorporate, you know, me talking about certain concepts and, you know, explaining it, because they say if you can explain to someone, then you understand it. And pretty much I understand everything we're learning, but of course, you know, it doesn't hurt to go back over it and to practice. So tomorrow I will be coming to y'all with that content. Today was really just, you know, Mondays are just, you know, I try to be productive. They're really chill for the most part. Wednesdays my busiest days. That's when, you know, y'all gonna get the, you know, recitation. I don't know, do we have recitation this week? I think so. I don't know. This might be our last recitation, or the last one was last week. I don't know. But either way go, y'all gonna know what's going on. And I'm gonna talk to y'all again in a few. I probably might not talk to y'all. I might just, you know, show y'all what I'm doing and whatnot. But yeah, y'all, so I really didn't do much today. I'm just gonna eat these Oreos over here because I ate the rest of my Chipotle like 20 minutes ago. So
just one night, I don't know about your life, but tell me, 'cause we still have time. I can't stop looking at you, but do you feel the same, don't you? I think of you every moment, I think of you every moment. I can't stop looking at you, but do you feel the same, don't you? I think of you every moment.
basically like, you know, the eigenvalues come diagonally, or you gotta go along the diagonal. So basically you will write it 4 minus that. And these two numbers stay the same, but then it will be -3. Was that all they put for the what's that thing called?
Lambda.
Yeah. Well, this is the full step. We do 1 0 0 1. And then you go to that.
I see. So you plug in the lambdas and then do the determinant. Okay.
Then once you, this is, you know, once you multiply these, you get so that's the characteristic equation. Because you're basically supposed to, I guess, you know, find the determinant, so multiply this by that and that by that. And then, you know, like, this is in a polynomial, so you can break it down to lambda minus 2 times lambda plus 1. And so that's how you find the eigenvalues, because
it's 2 and -1.
yeah.
And that's the characteristic with the lambda squared.
So
Okay.
this is the characteristic. And these are the
Values. Awesome.
Yeah, it's very easy. I feel like it's probably just be easy. Well, this one. The other one, I ain't really.
There was a
Yeah,
lot
the
of
other one,
like tricky little numbers in that
Yeah,
one.
matrix would be too much for me.
Same vector
You said for which one?
for the eigenvector.
Yeah. So basically, I guess that's how you're supposed to do it. See, that's why I was getting tricked up at, because, okay, so say we do 2, it would be basically 4 minus 2, -5, 2, -3, minus 2, and then we end up with 2, 2, -5, -5. So that's what I got for one of the things, and then so then that'll make the eigenvector. I had looked it up on like 2 different sites to check the answer, and one of them gave me 5 or 2, and then another one had gave me 5 and 2. So it's like,
Which here I can so I'll check this real quick. Oh, okay.
hey, sorry.
Use the trace
Hey.
So let's just write down the this equation would be. So the lambda again is representing our eigenvalue.
What's the second value you got for lambda?
Relevant equation, characteristic equation, is lambda squared minus the trace of A times lambda plus the determinant of A. And if you're wondering what the trace is, well, it's simply the sum of the elements leading diagonal. So in our matrix A, the elements to add together for the trace are just 5 and 2. So in this case, our characteristic equation is simply going to be lambda squared, trace of A is 5 plus 2, and our determinant is going to be 5 times 2 minus -3 times -6.
So it looks like it's saying the eigenvector should be when these two have equal magnitude but opposite signs. so this wouldn't be one of them, but this would. I have to ask though, because what is it? Is it?
Yeah. There should be, if you point out your index finger, there should be a dotted line or a dotted cursor.
Oh my God, that's so cool.
And if you pinch your index finger and thumb, it should select it.
Why is there two screens though?
Because I have settings and I have the Wi-Fi open.
So you said it's a computer?
That's so
Yeah,
cool.
it's just
You use it for school and everything?
I just got it yesterday. So
Oh, but
I said I might as well test it out here. And
yeah.
my computer is dead, so I was like,
I just know that's expensive. It just looks like it's expensive.
Closer to me.
Like it's. Oh my
if you bring it
God.
closer, all right,
That's
take
so
both
cool.
hands. You're gonna see the moving logo. Or
So basically, okay, we're multiplying it by lambda, and for the matrix it's 1001. That's just something I guess with math, they just made it that way. So when you multiply lambda by this, you basically get lambda 0 0 lambda, so that when you multiply those two by each other, these two positions don't change, only these two. And so with eigenvalues and stuff, the diagonal is where you get the answers from. Like, did y'all do that last quiz we had?
yeah.
So basically, not the last quiz, but you know the assessment one everyone's talking about on Canvas? Basically, you just take a random matrix and whatever is in the diagonal is your eigenvalues. But so these two are the eigenvalues after you multiply them. So then you get 4 minus this. So you want to find a determinant. To find a determinant, you do AD minus BC. So in math, this is A, B, C, D. So you multiply these two and multiply these two and subtract them. So after you multiply these two and these, you get negative 12 minus 4 lambda plus 3 lambda plus lambda squared plus 10. And basically you just combine in like terms. So, you know, negative 12 and 10, you'll get, that's supposed to be negative 2. You get negative 2. And then negative 4 plus 3, you get negative lambda, and then lambda squared goes in front. And so like when you're factoring, in order to find the eigenvalues, you basically solve for each. So we know if it's negative 2, the eigenvalue is going to be 2. If it's positive 1, it's going to be negative 1. So that's how we got the eigenvalues. And then to find the eigenvectors, we basically did the same thing with this, and we substituted and put 2 and then negative 1 for that one. So these two remain untouched, so it's going to be 2 and negative 5, but 4 minus 2 will give you that. Negative 3 minus 2 will give you that. And so to find the eigenvector from here, you have to row reduce it. When we reduced it, then we found the row reduction. And then basically you set it to x and y. And so you have x minus 5 over 2y. And so if you put this on that side, it'll become positive. And so then we have, for this one, the eigenvalue is 2. So basically you put 2, you substitute for y equals 2.
1 second.
And then 5 times 2 equals 10. 10 divided by 2 equals 5. So that's how we got 5. And then y equals 2. So that's how we got 5 over 2 for the eigenvector for this one. Okay, so y'all, I'm leaving the library. We finished the problem. I try to give y'all an explanation, but you know, when I look back and edit this, it'll determine whether I want to do a little voiceover, because it was a lot going on. It was hot in there. My feet was hurting. I was really just trying to get that junk over with. Tight little. But so now I'm fixing to grab something to eat and then go home and finish, because I have an assignment due at 9 p.m. for music appreciation, and it's basically for the most part done. That's what y'all saw me working on earlier today. He wanted us to write 1 paragraph for 6 different videos of our choice, so I'm on paragraph 5. So that's basically done. I'm just gonna wrap that up and then submit that. And then also tonight, I said I was gonna either start on this organic chemistry work or do this exam for linear algebra. Either way it go, I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get back home. Hey y'all. So hours later, it is 11:48. So basically when I came home, I turned in my assignment, and then before I go to bed, I'm gonna do my part of the, you know, the group study today. We all assigned parts of to put on the PowerPoint. I'm gonna do that. But y'all, let me show y'all. Lil done cooked and brought me a plate over. Lil cooked some pasta, brought me a plate. So this is what I'm eating for dinner. Like, but y'all know, like, I got some Chick-fil-A literally like 2 hours ago and ate that. But yeah, my eating schedule is so weird because I don't be eating for real during the day. Like, when I went and worked out, I didn't eat. And I don't know, like, oh, I just don't want to eat, but like, like I said, I don't know if I told y'all, but breakfast is not really my thing. I have to be in the mood to eat breakfast. But of course, you know, like, I eat a little snack or some fruit, but I ain't have none, so. But yeah, I wasn't hungry. And I went and got fruit that y'all saw me eat earlier right after. So, yeah. How about the final for my music class is 98 questions? Like, sir, you wild for that. Like, he's just very wild for that. Like, 98 questions, sir? Come on now. Are you serious? Like, are you serious? Because for one, yeah, we just not even get into that, but we ain't learned nothing worth 98 questions on that final. But you know what? I'm gonna let him be great. Like, not even none of my major courses or courses for STEM have I ever had worth that, like, that many questions. 98 questions. First one, we have the salicylic acid This one is acetic acid. It changed colors. And now this is butyric acid, but I don't know what it is, so we're gonna see what happens with this one. Let's see what happens with this one. Here we have butyric mixed with methanol. Hey y'all, good morning. So it is Wednesday and I just about laid in bed most of the morning. Like I woke up earlier, but I did not feel like getting up. But I am looking to head to class, but first make myself a cup of coffee because today is not this day. I don't know if we had a recitation today, so I don't know. This is from one of my past hair promotions, so very convenient. Like, if I had to describe myself, you know, as put this on the charger. Hurry up, I got places to be. Anyway, let me talk to y'all when I'm on campus. Yeah, because we're doing the sign. And to the maximum. Okay, so y'all, my physics class just ended, and now we're fixing to, I'm in linear algebra, and we're fixing to get ready to do group presentations for our assignment. And I'm gonna show y'all the PowerPoint that we did. I just had to go back and fix somebody else's portion right quick. When it comes to me, a material world, you know, I don't use Microsoft PowerPoint. I use Canva. Yeah. This is not one of my best PowerPoints, but it's very colorful and cute, period. You know, I use Canva. I like different backgrounds. So, yeah. This was my portion. I transferred it from my iPad up to here, and then this is everyone else's part to do from yesterday. And I just went ahead and just rewrote this one for somebody because the steps were kind of incorrect, and I just wanted to, you know. Okay, so y'all, I just got out of class. Look at Clark Atlanta. They putting up their little Christmas tree. That's cute. So yeah, speaking of financial aid, I need to go mail my FAFSA. That's what I'm gonna go do before I go to my oil change appointment, because y'all, that's how what I mean. I have to put my stuff on reminders because I got an oil change appointment the day before. I actually forgot about that, but yeah, I'm gonna head to the library and print off the shipping label, and then look who I see. Hi.
What's up, YouTube?
So I'm thinking to print out the shipping label and do some work since, because what time? I was here for like an hour and a half.
What did you say?
This wig somebody bought. I need to make a book for a study room. Is that today? Oh no, they said Thursday. Oh, let me show y'all. This is how you book for a study group. So you go to the library website, You click reserve for study in the group, and then you check to see what's available. Red is all filled, well, it's booked, and I want something for Thursday, so let me slide it over. Thursday, wow, they lame. Okay, they only have this available, like all these are unavailable, whatever. I'm just gonna book 5 to 6, and if anything is open, then we'll just go in there like usual. Submit times, and then continue. You gotta put your, you know, first name, last name, all that, or whatnot. And your school email. And then also it says to click like which school, Morehouse, Spelman, or Clark Atlanta. And so I'm a student, and then student classification, and then submit my booking, and that's it. Hey y'all, I'm back home, so I'm fixing some pasta because, you know, some from the freezer, but no, I'm gonna cook some homemade pasta tomorrow. Some Italian Dijon pasta, and it's good. I'm tired. I'm trying not to burn this stuff. So yeah, I'm making pasta, and that's it. And then I'm gonna do some homework tonight with organic chemistry. We're supposed to be having a group study tomorrow, but they didn't confirm a time. Somebody said 8 p.m. I wasn't really trying to go that late, but that's the only time, like, they be having to work, so if that's the only time, then I'll do it because I ain't got anything else to do. So yeah, what's that pizza? Okay, there we have it. This I don't know, I threw the bag away already, but I think this is the Bertolli's. Yeah, this is the Bertolli's fettuccine alfredo. Yeah, this you don't need no seasoning. Like, when I say you don't need no seasoning, you don't need no seasoning. So this is gonna be my little dinner tonight. You dig what I'm saying? Hey y'all, it is Thursday, and today, did I tell y'all I was supposed to go work out? I was, but y'all, like, the last day I worked out, I worked so hard. My entire body is sore, so it was enough for me today. So I just slept in, and I just went and bought some Christmas decorations. I ordered a Christmas tree, and I'm fixing to get ready to cook. You can't even see me, but I'm gonna get ready to cook. And so y'all, we're having our final group study session tonight at 8. So I'm gonna go help them and do some work and study. But I'm gonna cook first. And this light is dim. Oh, okay. Let me put both of them on. So tonight I'm making Italian Dijon pasta. And y'all kind of got to just what ingredients you need. I'm about to put some music on though. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm about to put some music on and cook. And when I'm at the group study.
It's not nighttime.
What that supposed to mean?
You said, well, I'm about to cook tonight.
It is not. You know. Okay, so to begin, we're just gonna go over these makeup exam questions. These makeup exam questions and probably some questions from Cengage. So, yeah. One pencil. Hint means 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 means the double bond right there. And it says convert to 1 pentine. Oh no, I'm tripping. That's 1 pentine.
That was 1 pentine.
I'm like, what?
Always right here.
I feel like this is the easiest one.
Wait, what?
I don't even know where they want.
I don't even know how to do this. Wait, I thought we had to convert. Oh, wait.
Yeah, you're going from 1 pentanol to 1 pentine.
Oh.
So like the OH and then.
Because it's an alcohol.
Did y'all learn this
It's an
while I was
alcohol,
on
right?
this?
Yeah, OH makes it an alcohol.
Oh, you just
Yeah, the OH makes it.
get it out the mud on this one. 'Cause
So if these were reversed, okay, so far we only learned how to do the reaction going from like here to OH. So I don't know what to call that one because we haven't learned that one.
He named it with our
Here.
We just have to name what happened.
Yeah, so which type of reaction would this be? So remember we have the H. We have the HGOAC, I think it was H2O, and then the BH3.
Wait, is it OAH? Why did I put OAH?
Because he be writing it different
Oh.
sometimes. Yeah. The BH3, THL, I think this one is NA. What's it, NA?
It's BH4.
Yeah. It's NA, BH4, and the other one was H2O, OH. So, the oxymercuration ones, it goes to the one with the most carbons.
For some reason, like I have a picture memory of when you wrote that on the board last time, and that's how I remembered it. Like I remember exactly how you wrote it.
Yeah, that's why it helps us see stuff because you remember it easy. Okay, so this one goes to the one with most carbons. This goes to the one with least carbons. Okay, so first you want to see the carbocation and to see which one will be tertiary, secondary, or primary. So we have 2, 4, so it must be 6, 8. 2 hydrogens on this one, 1 hydrogen right here.
Raise your
And
hand.
when you take the double bond away, it'll just be this. So then you can see, okay, this carbon is primary because it's not connected to any other carbons. This carbon right here is connected to 1, 2. So it's going to be considered secondary. So this is the secondary, this is the primary. So in a sense, this one, the OH came to the primary, it's going to be a BH3 reaction because it went to the one with least carbons. But if he gave you one and it had OH right here, or yeah, it gave you OH right here on the secondary, then it would be a HG reaction because it's going to the one with most carbons.
That's what I was confused on the last question on the test. Remember we had to like bring it to like the one with the least, but they all like tertiary. No, I mean secondary, whatever.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about. I think I remember in my head
It was this one right here. Like,
oh yeah, I forgot you did give us that. Yeah, because that one also had tricked me up.
I was so confused on that. I remember last, in general chemistry, we all cheated on the final.
Yeah,
We had a group chat.
Cyclohexane. So we see cyclo, you know, it's going to be did y'all draw y'all structure like this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. With BH3, so first you're going to see where your carbocations. So this one connects to 1, 2, secondary. This one is connected to 1, 2, 3. So this is tertiary. Okay, so we know since we're dealing with the BH3, it's going to go to the least carbon. So that means we want the OH to end up right there.
Do you guys think if the new strand of COVID comes to land, are they gonna send us home or like shut down second semester?
Shit is stupid.
Because I heard it's in California right now.
Oh yeah, the first one.
in Connecticut.
But it's been new.
The new strand.
Yeah, it's been like a couple strands. So
Well, yeah. But this one, you know, they make it more dramatic each time. It's a new one. I
gotta get my booster shots soon. Booster shots are due soon.
You think they're gonna require the booster?
I doubt it.
I don't think they're gonna require
They got too much hate for. I hope they don't
requiring
require the booster.
the
because,
first set. Yeah.
like, they didn't even check to make sure everybody was fully vaccinated. I could have.
Yeah.
We all could have got away with it.
I exempted it.
You didn't
check.
Huh?
What do you mean they didn't check?
Cause they were like, I kept sending in my card, and they still didn't even check like the website to make sure everybody was fully vaccinated.
They didn't check.
They did not check.
Getting tested every twice a week.
They did not.
They
I feel
haven't
like
checked
this
their
is the
one.
easiest reaction though. Y'all know how to do this one?
It just goes to the you get rid of the double bond, right?
Yeah, so it's basically a cyclohexane. Cyclohexane.
Oh, I have to study so much over the weekend.
Another class. Well, if you haven't taken computer science yet,
I don't remember the
and you
HBR.
take computer science next semester.
We know
How many
we
credit
do
hours is that? 3?
your electrons go up from the double bond.
That's the reason why
to
they don't have
the
18.
Oh, yeah.
BR.
Maybe I should take that.
And then the BR goes to tertiary, or no?
So this one is.
But the
this is
if I take that, I'll have computer science is a lab, right?
So this is a primary.
But you don't have to register for it. I guess it's just included.
This is a tertiary. So yeah, the VR. Well,
The H-
intermediate would be.
Why did I write?
So the CH.
Oh, you have to write the
the plus right there on tertiary.
Mm-hmm.
So then you would do VR minus.
Goes to the plus.
Yeah. Well, I don't really like this. VR minus goes to the plus.
And then you got the product, the methyl and the BR going out of it.
And then of course we know since we already have 2 hydrogens right here, the third hydrogen is gonna go on that one to make it optimal.
Do you have to write the hydrogen down?
No, you don't have to. I would just
Oh, okay.
put it right there. But yeah, normally you're gonna write it because we already assumed it's going there. So then it would be
And then you gotta do an energy diagram.
So if he was to say to name it, it would be butane, you know, is so it'd be
Oh, I got this right.
What do you think he gonna name it? Ask me.
for the final, he might just want to get real creative.
Oh.
Like, name it.
2-bromo, 2-methyl.
I'm gonna go to his office hours tomorrow. I'm like, yeah, no, I didn't take the makeup. Take it and fucking ace it.
I don't know why I keep forgetting butene like as like on the chart. Like I know everything else but that one.
Yeah, because the word is just.
I just don't.
It
It doesn't go with
even get-
anything.
yeah.
Like it doesn't.
No, he
I
gave
keep
us
forgetting that.
decade or whatever.
Dec-
We haven't used that shit.
It's not
This
like
whole
10.
semester, yes. It took me.
Oh
a
yeah,
whole
that was
minute. I
on
was like,
thingy. Yeah, I remember
He
that.
says the intermediate
Wait, what?
is
The
right here. And so like the beginning one would be right here, and then the end one would be.
Lord Jesus. The
Okay.
parentheses one is connected to it, right?
Yeah, I thought the
Okay,
Pharisees was like,
so-
no. But he was like, no, that's not.
This
Oh.
one we know is going to be a card. We'll do a different color.
Wait, connected to it or a branch?
It's gonna
A
be
branch, like,
so
yeah.
these it's gonna be 2 CH3s connected to this carbon.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
this
I
carbon
wanted
is
to
going to have CH3, CH3. Then it's connected to well, you don't have to write that.
CH3 is methyl, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
to a CH2
And then another.
connected to CH2 connected to carbon connected to a CH2.
Oh, there's two. There's two. Did he just come? Oh, it's connected to ethyl.
Yeah.
Isn't there another hydrogen on the
Connected to
first?
a CH2. Connected to a carbon, connected to 3 methyls. So, you want to name it, you want to establish the longest chain, so you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, So yeah, the longest possible chain you can get is 8. So we know it's going to be an octane. So if our chain is going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, that means these are substituents, this is a substituent, and this is a substituent. Because the chain is going like this. So this is everything hanging off of the chain. So we know in the name is going to be an octane. You know, we have 1, 2, 3 methyl, so it's going to be a trimethyl in the name.
Am I missing one? I see you correctly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm missing a carbon. Where am I missing it? Oh.
Trimethyl, and then we know we have an ethyl. So now we just want to determine which ones, you know, ethyl is going to come first, but first we want to see which to make it the lowest carbon. So if we did 1, 2, 3, 4 versus 5, so we're going to start from this end. So this will be 4.
Wait, why are you starting that again? Because it's more
Ethyl,
methyl.
when we write it, we put ethyl before trimethyl, and we want ethyl on the lowest carbon. So going this way, it's on 5, versus going this way, it's on 4.
Oh, okay.
So it'll be 4 ethyl.
I hate this shit. All these damn rules.
So you started from the other direction then, you said?
Mm-hmm. So then it'll be 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2, 2, 7, trimethyl, octane.
2, 2.
And then I'm gonna show an example when y'all got it done of how to write the, if you said to provide the name and draw the structure. Okay, so we always start with the anti. So we know we have CH, and then the H, and then the H.
Oh, I didn't even know we moved it.
CH3 right here, and then the H branching out right here. Because this is anti, meaning the methyl groups are the furthest apart. So we always start with anti, and then you move 60 degrees.
Wait, what are we doing? I'm sorry.
Newman projection. So we're doing a Newman projection of butane.
For all 6 of them? Wait, you gotta do 6?
Yeah, so it's like you go from 0 to
The 180.
to 360.
Oh, 360? My bad.
Oh, did you say 180? I'm not talking about something.
So
I didn't like when we did this.
I didn't
I
either.
still like
I understand this one. This is probably the easiest shit we do.
it was just very repetitive. I didn't like it.
Oh, you gotta, like, all I knew how to do is we just gotta keep
Yeah,
switching
but that
the
was
shits.
annoying. I didn't
Keep
like
switching the
continue
shits.
to do that.
for this one, you go from anti to eclipse. So it's like
Staggered is the one where it's like
your CH3, H, and then you have, this is going to be,
Why you write it like that?
yeah. Why'd you
flip it?
Yeah,
what you mean?
you
Why
flipped it
you
upside
make it a
down.
Y?
Yeah, you made it a Y.
Because that's how you do eclipse.
Well, you gotta do it like the. You have to. You know how he kept making this one like that? Like he kept drawing that one like that constantly, and then switch the other one.
See, that would be the gosh. You have to do eclipse. So this one, you start off at 0, and so you gotta go to 60 degrees.
But you can still.
So eclipse is when it's right under each other. Gosh is when you have. Okay, let me show you the gosh one.
Wait, this is not a test?
Yeah, this was on a previous exam.
Yo.
Okay, so you see how you say it goes from here and you keep moving it. So basically, you keep, like if you have the model, you're basically each one in the front is just, this CH3 right here is moving around.
I thought it was the one in the back that was moving.
So you go from here and then it moves like 60 degrees. It goes to eclipse.
Oh, it's the one in the front that moves? Oh.
It's like they're all
I thought it was
shifting.
the one in the back that moved.
No,
My
it definitely
bad.
is. Wait.
I thought it was the front that stayed the
That
same the
stays
whole
the
time,
same,
and then
yeah.
the back moved.
Hold on. Let me.
I mean, It's however you like visualize.
I mean, yeah, it's how you
This one is like, this one is on top. So this CH3 is going to be moving.
See, look, the base, this is when we did it in class. The base part, which ones are you moving?
I know, I'm getting confused.
Yeah.
Like, I can't.
So this is anti, this is eclipse,
I gotta go over all this shit.
this is gosh, and gosh means it's 120
I'm about to be a
degrees.
stripper.
No, eclipse is, no, eclipse
Y'all think I'm
is
playing?
120 degrees.
Y'all catch me to near strip club, don't say nothing.
And then this is
Y'all ain't gonna be able to notice me. I'm gonna put on a ski mask.
okay. Then next, after that, you go from gosh to
Some
eclipse
ski mask.
again.
Yeah.
So then
Make it a little
you
sexy, a
have-
little mysterious. You're gonna be like, take it off.
You said you're going to strip in the ski mask? And a ski mask?
I'm mysterious. You want me to take it off? That's a good 1,000 right there.
Okay, here is most of the finished product. The others was left off, but this is the like energy chart. It's not as neat, but you get the picture.
All I learned how to do is
So Newman projection anti means the methyl groups are farthest apart, as you can see, and then as it moves, the CH3 comes closer to the H, now being 120 degrees, and this is the eclipse phase, and then once it twists again another 60 degrees, it becomes gauche. And then, because gauche is when the CH3s are kind of close to each other, but they're not eclipse. Then you go to eclipse again, then back to gauche, because you see how it moved from here to CH3 became closer. Then the CH3 moved over here to right there. And then it keeps moving. So it goes from 240 to 300 to 360, because each time it moves 60 degrees. Okay, y'all, I'm back home. So, yeah, this is wraps up today. I just went to a group study, and tomorrow I have a few classes. The same old. So, I think this will be the end of this vlog. But this, I will be continuing this series, of course, next year. It's finals, so it's not going to be nothing else chemistry related for a while. So, yeah, y'all, let me know what y'all think, what content you want to see next semester. And so next semester I'll be more into doing lab work, so I'll be incorporating that, but that's pretty much it. And if I haven't included the clip for my last lab, I will, but it was nothing major. We was just testing chemicals to test the scent. But anywho, my camera's dying, so good night, love you all.